Okay, so this is our HiBlow pump. This is an HiBlow XP80, 80 watt air pump. And what we're going to do is it's going to sit on these pavers right here. So this is water resistant. This is designed for outdoor usage. However, we like to keep it dry, and it's just going to last longer if it's not in the elements. So we've got a couple of 12 by 12 pavers here that cost about $1.79 a piece. And we're going to set it on top of that. On the back, this is a pump with an alarm system. So the benefit of this is if a diaphragm breaks in the pump, that can be replaced. The alarm will let you know that the pump is not working, and that way you don't wait 6 months until you do your regular maintenance to find out that your piranha bacteria have died because there's no atmosphere and oxygen in the tank. So it can be on the mute or on. We're going to put it on here, and then we're going to go ahead, we're going to set it here, and in a few minutes, once we've got our PVC air line in, we're going to connect it here to the pump. And then they can put a cover on top of that if they want to, and of course it's underneath the roof here, so we're in good shape.